میں یہاں پہ شیخ صاحب کی طرف سے جو کیمپ لگایا گیا ہے ماشاءاللہ آئس کیمپ ماشاءاللہ 4 سال سے یہ لگ رہا ہے اور بہت اچھا کام ہو رہا ہے یہاں پہ اور ہم اپریشیٹ کرتے ہیں. ہمارے ساتھ یوکے سے آئے ہوئے بھائی ہیں, آئے ان سے بات کرتے ہیں جناب کہ ان کے کیا جذبات ہیں. جی السلام علیکم, کیا نام ہے آپ کا؟
السلام علیکم. My name is ڈاکٹر محمود, Sheikh محمود عبدالحفیظ. I'm an elderly medicine physician over UK. I've been working there for 14 years. 14 سال سے میں کام کر رہا ہوں. This is the first time, Sheikh Hassan has called me, and I'm really grateful for him. Mashallah, I've seen all the medical camps myself. It's everything under one roof. You're getting medical specialists, you're getting surgical specialists, you're getting skin specialists, you're getting dental specialists, you're getting maxillofacial specialists. Not even that, you're also getting all the medications for free, and you're getting all the medical tests for free. So this is only happened because of Sheikh Hassan and all his efforts and his team and their efforts. And I really thank Allah first of all, and secondly thank Dr. Hassan for arranging this beautiful event where actually the needy people can get all their basic necessities for free. Not even that, after this, if they need any surgery, like an eye surgery, cataract surgery, they are going to get that all for free. So I think everybody should join in with Dr. Hassan and make this successful every year, inshallah. It's an accident. I'm really amazed by that. Really nice.
Why جہلم کے لوگ آپ کو کیسے لگے بھائی؟
I'm from جہلم. I belong from جہلم. So I actually did my A levels from جہلم 20 years ago, and then I went to UK. So they're excellent people. And whenever I come back, meeting people, seeing people, their behavior, their communication, everything is excellent. I think I've been in Lahore and I've been in Karachi. I've been in many parts of the world. I've been to Palestine, I've been to Australia, Germany, you name it, Spain. But I think when I come back home, جہلم, is nothing next to being home in جہلم. So alhamdulillah, it's a wonderful feeling I can't describe.
Thank you.
No words can describe.
Thank you.
Thank you, big brother.